The French 75, named after a French 75mm field gun from World War I, reportedly because this drink hits with remarkable precision. Gin, lemon, sugar, topped with champagne. Served at Rick's Cafe in Casablanca, and still the most elegant way to order a drink in any bar on earth. Play it, Sam. 4 ingredients: gin, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and brut champagne to top. 1 ounce, a half, and 3 to 4 on top. Start with 1 ounce of gin. A classic London dry like Tanqueray holds up beautifully against the champagne. Hendrick's works too if you want something softer. Purists, and Hemingway himself, argue the drink should actually be made with cognac, which is the pre-war original. Either version is correct. Both are excellent. Add half an ounce of fresh lemon juice and half an ounce of simple syrup. Fresh squeezed only. A French 75 made with bottled lemon juice would get you thrown out of Rick's. Top with 3 to 4 ounces of dry brut champagne or sparkling wine. This is what makes the drink what it is. In Casablanca, Rick's bartender pours a round of these with a wink and says, "Drops a few of these in you, you're firing on all cylinders." That's a real line from the movie. Shake the gin, lemon, and simple syrup with ice for about 10 seconds. Strain into a chilled champagne flute or coupe. Top slowly with brut champagne. Garnish with a long lemon twist. Serve it cold. Serve it slow. And if you want the full experience, light a cigarette and wait for someone to walk in. The French 75 is bright, elegant, dry, and dangerously easy to drink. Named after a field gun. Featured in one of the greatest films ever made. If you want to feel like you're planning a getaway to Lisbon, this is the drink. Here's looking at you, kid. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.